Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to do text to speech on TikTok. First, you're going to select the plus at the bottom of the screen, just like you'll normally do to upload a video. Then you can record the video or upload the video from your gallery. Then you'll simply press the sticky in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to press the text right beside stickers. Then type the text. And after you have typed the text, simply tap on the text, and there you'll see text to speech. Tap on the text and tap on text to speech. And that's it. Then you'll press next and you can upload the video.